We're given a problem here, 2x minus 5y equals 10, and we're asked to find the slope and the y-intercept. And remember that when we're looking for the y-intercept, we're looking for the y-intercept coordinates. So whenever you're asked to find the coordinates of the y-intercept, your first coordinate is going to be 0, and the second coordinate is going to be what we call your number b. So to be able to find the slope and the y-intercept for this equation, I need to solve this equation for y. And remember that when we solve the equation for y, we want to get the term that has y in it by itself first. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and I end up with negative 5y equals negative 2x plus 10. Then to get y by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. And when I divide by negative 5, I'm just going to make sure that I divide each term by negative 5. On the left, I end up with y. On the right, I end up with a positive 2/5 x, and that's how I want to write it, 2/5 x. And then a positive 10 divided by negative 5 gives me minus 2. So now my equation is in what we call slope-intercept form. Most students don't remember the name of this, and they call it the y equals mx plus b form. The true name is the slope-intercept. But this helps us realize that the coefficient of our x, the number in front of the x, is my slope. And then remember, the b that we need for our y-intercept coordinates is the b that we have here, which is the constant that we have in our equation. So then looking at the equation, my slope is the coefficient of my x, which is 2/5, and my y-intercept coordinates are going to be 0, and this value right here, negative 2.